Hello everybody, this is the new series of BMW E28. So now I will make the revision of the transmission. Let's go. I will show you that here it's a lot of oil on the mechanism that change the gears, and of course I need to put the transmission down to make the full revision of it. The gearbox on the floor. Sorry guys, it was very uncomfortable to make any video under the car because it was very short distance between me and the gearbox, but now I can show you what the mess I have. So at first I don't get why I have this bushing outside the gearbox. I have checked also the manuals and there were no information about this one. So maybe you know, please leave a comment, and maybe this one was the reason of the noise that I have when I changing the gears. So what next? Okay, also you can see here it's a lot of dirty. I need for sure clean at first here. Oh my god, I lose some oil here. Here you can see guys, this one mechanism that change the gears, it's totally wet with a lot of dirty, and I don't know if it's possible to change only the rubber or I need to change the mechanism itself. And of course, yeah, here it's also a lot of oil. So what's next guys? At first I need to open the gearbox to understand what is the reason of the oil leakage, to change all the rubbers, the bushings, and let's go. So let's clean it first here. I have already started a little bit, but you can see how it's a lot of dirty here. A lot of dirty, I don't know. Now you can see it's much better, cleaner. And now I need to put away the oil. But fortunately guys, I don't have the socket for this one, so I will go to buy this. Here we are guys, the key in my hand, and now it's time to open this bolt. It's not so easy, you know. No way. Oh my god, no. I will try to open the hole where I should put the oil. So here, yeah, here it's going. So most of oil gone away, and now I want to open this one from the bottom of the transmission. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. The color of the oil, it looks very dirty. Yeah, I will left it like this, so all oil will go away. The oil has gone away, and now I want to open the cover. So we have here a lot of bolts, the main bushing that I need to change also, and yeah, after this I will open the cover. I'm very afraid that it will be a lot of metal inside, but yeah, let's see guys. Oh my god, it's very uncomfortable to do this. I don't know how to fix it that it will not move, because it's moving and it's impossible to turn the key. I will try to do it in the opposite way. So beautiful. The first one, it's done. Oops, yeah. And the last one. Cool, all three, they're gone away. Okay, let's see what next. Turn it back on the place. So now I need to somehow fix this one. Take away this gold one and screw it away. Okay, let's do it. I put away this one for 30. It's not enough distance for the hammer, let's say. I hope now it will go out. Oh, perfect. For sure I need to change this rubber, and yeah, now I can without any problem open the cover. All the bolts are outside. So let's see if I will able to open the cover. This one is very strange bolt. You can see it. White, I don't know why. So the moment it's not opening. No, looks like I have something else. I don't know why. No. Oh, I'm not sure if it will help. It's very strange and long bolt. It doesn't help. Okay, let's read the manual. One thing, so for sure you need to put away this finger bolt because it holds the gear changing mechanism. And yeah, if it will be lucky, later I will show for sure how and which bolt you need to put away, because as I know it's not only for Getrag 242, it's also, let's say, for all Getrags and especially 260. Voila. So remember this position because it should be inserted in the same way, so like this. Oh yes guys, it has been opened, but you know, I see here some details that I don't think that is good. Oh my god. I think I break something. Gearbox on the table, it's divided on two parts. Here you can see how it looks like now. And so what were the steps? So at first I put away this flange with the nut. Then I put away the 6 bolts around this flange. Don't forget to put the second gear where you will divide the main part. I have already put away this little, let's say, rubber. That was the reason of the leakage. And what next? Here I don't recommend to put away the bolt because it fixes this part of rear gear, and now I install it like this, but I'm not sure if it's right or not. So what else? Let's take a look. On the main part you need to put away the cover. Also it will be there, these 2 rings, so you need to put them away because they fix the main mechanism. Here you have one bolt that you need to put away because it stands here. And of course one thing from here, I'm not sure how it's called, but I will show you, and be sure that you will install it in this position. That's it guys, take care, happy holidays. I will order the new rubbers, new details, and see you in the next video where I will install all of them together and put the gearbox on the car. Ciao.